Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys something simple. I had a couple, more than a couple emails asking me this question, how to change the lock screen um, in your computer for Windows 10. We're talking about the screen that you see when you turn the computer on. It shows a picture, random picture with the date and the time. Easy way to change is we're here on the desktop. You're gonna right click. You're gonna go personalize, select last screen, and right here you change it. Uh, by default, it's right here the spotlight. You see the picture. That's the one that always before you type your password. But if you want to change it, um, I'm talking about this screen right here. Let me show you right now, and then you type your username and password. Okay, so that's the one over here. So right here is a background. You're gonna change it from Windows Spotlight. You're gonna select picture and you can select whatever you have here. Like in this case, I have me and my son. I use that one as a last screen, and that's it. Once you select it, you close it, and next time that you lock up your computer, easy way to lock your computer once you get up your desk. Instead of reboot the machine or restart, you're gonna click the symbol in your keyboard, the star symbol right here, and the letter the letter L, and it will lock your computer. Uh, Once again, thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment, questions, and please subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.